In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect CoinW in Tradingview. First, make sure you're logged into your Tradingview account and you're on the main interface. To start, head over to the chart section. You can do this by clicking on the chart option in the top navigation bar. This will open up a full chart window, which is where you'll be managing your trades and connecting your broker or exchange. Once your chart is open, look towards the bottom of the screen for the trading panel. Depending on your layout, this panel might be collapsed. So, if you don't see it right away, look for a tab or button that says Trading Panel and click on it. This will slide up a section showing all the available broker and exchange connections that Tradingview supports. By default, Tradingview might show only a few popular options. To see the full list, you'll want to click on the option that says Show All Brokers. This is important because CoinW may not appear in the abbreviated list. When you click Show All Brokers, Tradingview will expand the panel and display every supported provider in one place. Now, in that expanded list, you're going to look for CoinW. You can scroll through the list manually, or if there's a search bar available in your interface, type CoinW to quickly filter the results. Take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct one, matching the CoinW logo and name as displayed by Tradingview. Once you've located CoinW in the list, click on it to begin the connection process. You should see a connect or similar button. Click that button and Tradingview will open a connection window. Here, you'll typically be asked to sign in to your CoinW account or authorize Tradingview to access it. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully and make sure you're using the official login window provided within Tradingview. After you've successfully logged in and authorized the connection, look for the highlighted option or confirmation area within the trading panel. Click on the highlighted section associated with CoinW to finalize the setup and confirm that the connection is active. Once that's done, your CoinW account should now be linked to Tradingview, allowing you to place orders and manage trades directly from your chart interface.